Welcome to Author Quest, the best review channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.
The world is quite fast these days, and you are unable to be a slow learner or a slow worker. That's why people, they are interested more in results and how to get the results. For that you have to fast track. Now, how to do the things in a fast track? For that you have to be a smart working personality. And how to be a smart working personality? For that you have to have a lot of time, energy, and focus. Now, if you have more time, it doesn't mean that you will be a fast worker as well. Because time, if you have more time and you take a lot of time, then you may be a great performer, but at the same time, you must have a lot of energy. And when you have energy, then automatically the result that will be quite productive, and then you will be getting your results in a fast way. Now, what is the difference between hard work and smart work? We have to do work in both cases. Whether it is fast work or it is hard work, we have to do work. Once we start enjoying our work, then it becomes smart. Whatever you do, for example, you are reading a book, you are not enjoying it, it will be hard. The same book, the same reading, once you enjoy it, then it becomes smart work. So for that, you have to energize yourself. Now, this energy may be physical energy, which comes from your balanced diet, which comes from the dry fruit, which come from the fresh fruit, which come from vitamins, minerals, as well as proteins. Very less carbohydrates, because carbohydrates, though carbohydrates gives you energy, but it also consumes a lot of energy to digest your carbohydrates. So in that regard, you have to eat a lot of proteins, a lot of vitamins, and a lot of minerals, which come from fruit, vegetables, and dry fruit. At the same time, when you have professional guidance, somebody tells you, look, this is the way, go on this way, then it becomes fast track. And if you find your own way, it is leadership, and that is quite creativity, that is critical thinking, then you have to go into details how to get your own way of doing things. But if some master, some person, some professional guide tells you, look, do this way, look that way, and if you avoid these mistakes, if you avoid these blunders, these problems, then automatically your results, that will be quite interesting. That's why this message is for those people who want to do things in a fast track, in a smart way, because true people are those people, whatever they say, whatever they think, they must give it a practical form. Because if you can't convert your thoughts into words and words into actions, then there is falsehood. If you have some thoughts and you convert those thoughts into words and words into actions, it means that you are a true person. But if you can't do like that, then you will be having a lot of problems. That's why in this short video message, it is for those people who want to learn in a fast track way with professional guidance, and they become smart working personality. In both cases, you have to do work, because there is nothing without cause and effect. There is a basic principle of this universe, and that principle is called cause and effect. Cause and effect means that if you want to have a desired or desirable effect, you must create some cause, because without cause, nothing happens. And for this reason, I'm giving you this opportunity today to listen to these words and start our new courses, which we are going to start the day after tomorrow. And our basic methodology, that will be fast track, as well as that will be smart work. Let me see some people who want to be successful. They want to be highly intelligent people in a smart professional way, because professionalism, that makes you perfectionist. If you are a professional person, you will be a perfect person. A professional surgeon will never make a mistake, because a small mistake of a professional surgeon will destroy the life of a person. If you are a surgeon, if you are a doctor, and you are not professional, so that is quite dangerous. So my message, that is also to promote professionalism. Let's do things in a professional way. Don't do things in a way which is not professional. If you are professional, you must be perfectionist. Otherwise, perfectionism is a negative quality. it will make you mentally ill, mentally sick. You want to do everything in an ideal way, and the world is not ideal. There are so many problems, there are so many challenges, there are so many issues, and then we have a lot of problems. So if you want to do things in a great way, ideal way, excellent way, exceptionally extraordinary way, then be professional. Be professional teacher, be professional learner, and once we do things in a wholehearted manner, then automatically results are the way we want.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates.